Hello guys, in this video we are going to explain the reaction Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel Thalamide synthesis is a reaction for synthesis of primary amine. This reaction was discovered by a German chemist scientist Sigmund Gabriel with the aid of his partner James Dornbusch in 1897. By this reaction we cannot formed aryl amine by this reaction because they do not undergo nucleophilic substitution bimolecule reaction, that means SN2 reaction, and we cannot form secondary and tertiary amines are not formed as over alkylation is avoided. Due to over alkylation we cannot form secondary and tertiary amine. Now we come to this reaction. For this reaction we need three reagents are needed. These are, first reagent which is needed is thalamide. We can write like this. This is called thalamide. There is P silent thalamide, and second reagent is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, there is alkyl, maybe methyl, ethyl, and halogen halide is chlorine, bromine, iodine, and so on. And third reagent which is necessary, it is KOH and NaOH. Alcoholic KOH and NaOH. These are the base are needed. In this alcoholic yani ethanolic, that means ethyl alcohol. And four is hydrolysis. We do hydrolysis. And what is, now we see the reaction. The whole reaction is when thalamide, this is thalamide, react with alkyl halide is methyl, ethyl, and halide is chloride and bromide, maybe alkyl halide in presence of alcoholic KOH and NaOH. We found by this, and second and third step, first step is this and second is hydrolysis. We do hydrolysis at the last. We formed here by this reaction primary amine that calls 1 degree amine is formed, and a salt and potassium salt of phthalic acid. This is called potassium salt of phthalic acid. Potassium salt of phthalic acid. If we take potassium hydroxide, then get potassium salt of phthalic acid, and if get sodium hydroxide, then we get sodium salt of phthalic acid. Now we come to a mechanism of this reaction. See, mechanism of this reaction Let's see how this thalidomide is formed. Let's first we see how thalidomide is formed. This thalidomide is formed. We take phthalic acid. This is called phthalic acid. When benzene attached with two carboxylic group, when two carboxylic group are attached with the benzene, it is called phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. This is called phthalic acid. By this phthalic acid we formed phthalimide by reacting two molecules of ammonia with the phthalic acid. How the two molecules of ammonia react? We can write one molecule of ammonia like this. We can write like this, and there is water is eliminated and NH2 group is attached to this carbon and water is eliminated, and is in this molecule, in this also one molecule of ammonia is added and one molecule of water is eliminated from here, and NH2 is joined with this carbon, and then it forms phthalimide. Then is formed phthalimide because water is eliminated and NH2 group is joined with this carbon. This is known as phthalimide. This is called phthalimide. Phthalimide, pH silent. Now we heat this molecule, and due to which one molecule of ammonia is released from this molecule. How it is released? We light this NH2 like this. We can light this H, and we eliminate one H from this NH2 and whole NH2 this ammonia molecule eliminate. So here formed C double bond O and NH. This is called phthalimide. This is called phthalimide. When this phthalimide is formed, how NH group N is joined with this carbon because NH2 group is released out and form phthalimide. When phthalimide is formed, we react phthalimide to KOH. OH is negative charge and H is positive charge, and N is minus, and this hydrogen is very acidic because nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen, and it pulls electron from this hydrogen, and this hydrogen release as a H plus ion, and this H plus ion forms water from here, and this K plus is attack on this nitrogen. This K plus is attack on this nitrogen. This K when attack, we found a molecule like this C double bond O and N, and here K is sitting here, N minus and K positive and C double bond O N. This is called potassium salt of phthalimide. Now this molecule react with Now this molecule react with alkyl halide. Halide is get here halide, halogens means chlorine, maybe bromine. It release electron from here, it get negative charge and it get positive charge, and this positive charge is attack on this nitrogen and form alkyl halide, and this K is react with X and form KX. So in here KX is released out. KX is released out and the molecule alkyl phthalimide is formed. Now we see here, look here, alkyl phthalimide, this is called alkyl phthalimide is formed here. Now when alkyl phthalimide is formed, we see this molecule. In this molecule carbon is bonded with this oxygen by double bond, so this pi electron shift here and this carbon gets delta positive charge, and when this carbon get delta positive charge, one molecules of KOH yani ki OH group from KOH are come to attack on this carbon. This OH group is attack on this carbon, and then this lone pair rebond, and this bond, now how much bond this carbon have? 1 bond, 2, 3, and 1 bond formed from OH4, and this is 5. The carbon cannot have 5 bonds, so this bond gets break from here. And look, the second reason is that nitrogen is more electronegative than this carbon, and this bond break from here, and on this nitrogen we get negative charge, and this OH group is attack on this carbon. Now the next reagent, now the next compound is formed, is that is we see that is C double bond O and NH. This bond break from here and N get negative charge, and a negative charge comes on this N, and R is attached with this. And this, what happened about this carbon? This carbon gets double bonds, and this OH group is attacked on this carbon, and OH is attached with this carbon. Now this hydrogen is acidic and it shifts from here and attached to this nitrogen, and this oxygen gets negative charge and it is stabilized by resonance. Now the next compound is that we get C double bond O, and this hydrogen is left from here, so this oxygen get negative charge, and K plus of KOH is comes on this oxygen, and now this hydrogen is attached on this nitrogen. Now we get C double bond O, NH and R. We find this product. Now we look here, this carbon oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, and it gets positive charge. So one OH group from the KOH comes and attack on this carbon, and this bond is released from here. This bond is released from here because nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, and this bond gets. Now we get next product is C double bond O, and this OH attack on this carbon, and this C double bond O, OK, positive and negative, and R and H and it gets negative charge, and this is get negative charge. When a negative charge come on this nitrogen, this hydrogen is released from here and sit on this nitrogen and attack on this nitrogen. Now we get the next product is primary amine. This is called 1 degree amine and also called primary amine, and this oxygen get negative charge, and on this oxygen 1 potassium ion are sit here. Now we get the next product, byproduct is C double bond O and K. C double bond O and K. If we take the potassium hydroxide in this reaction, we get potassium salt of phthalic acid. This is called potassium salt of phthalic acid. This is called potassium salt of phthalic acid. Now by this reaction we get only primary amine, and by this reaction we cannot prepare aryl amine. Now look here, why? Reason. The reason is that you see that when thalamide, this is thalamide, when thalamide is react with alkyl halide, then this chloride has 3 lone pairs of electron and it gets resonate with this benzene ring and it forms double bond here. Like this you can see it gets double bond, and so this double bond is very strong and it cannot break from here. So there is rhenium ion C6H5. Rhenium ion is not formed here. So this, because this bond we cannot break this bond, so rhenium ion is not formed here. So there is attack of aryl chloride is not possible here. And like alkyl halide, we can see in alkyl halide if we take methyl chloride, this bond is shift from here, it get negative charge and get positive charge, it can attack from here. So primary alkyl is formed from this reaction, and aryl benzene or aromatic benzene we cannot form by this reaction, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Aryl amine, when benzene has NH2 group on benzene, when benzene has NH2 group, this is called aromatic amine, aryl amine or aryl aromatic amine. And secondary and tertiary amine we cannot formed by Gabriel thalamide synthesis because due to overcrowding of alkyl group. Now we see in this reaction when ammonia lose 1 hydrogen H plus and attack, and 1 R is attack on this ammonia, we get primary amine. This is called 1 degree amine. And when 2 alkyl group are added on this and 1 more hydrogen is released from this molecule, we get this product This is called secondary amine. This is called secondary amine. Now one alkyl halide is added on this molecule and one hydrogen is released. We get tertiary amine, third degree amine. So by the Gabriel Thalamide synthesis we can form only pure 1 degree amine, primary amine, and we cannot form aryl amine. This is called also aniline, and we also cannot form secondary and tertiary amine due to overcrowding of alkyl group. Now guys, this video is finished from here. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you subscribe my channel, you get my more videos on your